Annyeonghaseyo. Today, we will be cooking some amazing classic Korean dishes on my brand new show, Korean Flavors by Kunal Kapoor. Kimchi, yakshik, and bibimbap. Kimchi is like a national pride for Koreans because almost every meal they begin with kimchi. So let's make kimchi today. हम सबसे पहले लेंगे नापा कैबेज. इसे हम क्वार्टर्स में काटेंगे. We have to salt this particular cabbage. Now you need to keep this as is for about 6 to 8 hours and let the salt do the magic. Just dip it in fresh water. Glutinous rice flour. Add water. Stir it lightly. This is a Korean pear. Korean chili powder. I have some Korean soy sauce, ginger, garlic, pumpkin puree, salt, kelp stock. Now's the time to marinate cabbage. Then goes the radish and some spring onions. Put some marinade. Press it gently. This needs to sit at room temperature for 2 days. Post 2 days, put it in the fridge. Keep in the fridge for about 15 days and then it is ready to eat. Yakshik जो है, it's a rice-based dessert. Yakshik के अंदर थोड़ा सा मीठा, थोड़ा सा खट्टा, थोड़ा सा उमामी, थोड़ा सा नमकीन फ्लेवर, सब कुछ मिला होता है. This is the glutinous rice. I have it soaked for about 6 hours. While this is cooking, we'll get the caramel sauce ready. Here's sugar, a dash of water. So let it gradually caramelize. This is brown sugar. I'm adding honey. These are dried cranberries. You can also add jujube, got some pine nuts, cinnamon powder, the magic ingredient, Korean soy sauce. We'll add this syrup, water chestnuts. These are toasted sesame seeds. In this steaming hot rice, we will add our mixture, a dash of oil. This goes back inside. This will be steamed again. I'm going to take the rice and fill this mold. We'll let it cool down. Once it cools down, we'll demold it. Slowly remove the ring. Some sesame seeds. बिबिम्बाप बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए स्टिकी राइस जो इस वक्त यहाँ पर स्टीम हो रहे हैं. क्योंकि हम वेजिटेरियन वर्जन बना रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें चाहिए ढेर सारी सब्जियां. आई एम टेकिंग सम कैरेट और इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे नमक, गार्लिक. हम लेंगे एक क्यूकम्बर. इसके अंदर भी थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट, हल्का सा गार्लिक. बारी है रेड पेपर की. हिंट ऑफ सॉल्ट. लेट्स कट सम zucchini. Salt, little bit of garlic. I have some blanched spinach, थोड़ा सा garlic, hint of salt और थोड़ा सा spring onion. Just gently mix it. Just a dash of regular oil. Very quick stir. Drizzle oil. In goes zucchini. Sesame oil. Aha. Cucumber. A dash of sesame oil as well. Red pepper. A dash of sesame oil. Toss. Here comes spinach. Again, a dash of oil. I'm using boiled and sliced shiitake. You can use fresh mushrooms as well. Pinch of salt. Thoda sa sesame oil. Tiny bit of garlic. Good toss. And some tofu. I'm adding some light Korean soy sauce. Aha. Alright, garma garam rice. Some spinach. Bean sprouts. The Korean chili paste. Some tofu. And some toasted sesame. Zara sa sesame oil. bibimbap is ready. Did you know that South Korea is one of the safest countries in the world? And once this pandemic subsides, you should definitely travel for some amazing and safe food. And for more information, just log on to www.visitkorea.or.kr. तो फिर मिलते हैं and thanks for hopping on to this journey. Take care.